Looks like I made it. I was getting a little concerned. That road was pretty thin there. All right, I made it here. Let's go. All right, we're here at Crane Mountain, New York. I know that this is a 2-mile hike round trip, but it is a straight beeline all the way to the top. So it's just gonna be kind of just straight uphill. It's kind of a tougher hike, but I know this is one of the better views I can get. I'm gonna try to do the loop. The pond might be frozen, but I am gonna bring my retractable fishing pole, just in case. I know there is supposed to be trout in there, but I do have a retractable fishing pole. So I'll keep that in the good old Osprey bag, but I'm gonna get all set in stone here, get ready, and we'll do some winter hiking here, and I'll try to do the best I can to make a cool video and vlog this entire thing. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll just keep rolling. Got pretty much everything ready to go here. I am entering the trail right now. So I'm just bringing my ski poles. I'm rocking micro spikes. And I've got EMS winter pants on, and I'm just rocking a sweatshirt and just a little grommet. Not too cold today. Trail conditions look like we have a couple inches of ice, some snow. Don't need the snowshoes. Don't really need the snowshoes. It's not too bad. And I should probably sign in right here. How long do I got till I get to the summit? 1.4, so, and then 1.1 to get to the pond. So it's looking like it's going to be a pretty good hike. So I suppose I sign in here. See if anyone else is on the trail. This book looks like it's been maxed out. Oh my God. DEC, if you can see this, you might want to give us a new book here. Jesus. Is there anywhere I can write anything? Well, I know I'm not getting lost in the woods because I come prepared, but I'll write my name. DEC, if you can see this, get on top of this book and give the people another registry packet. Jeez, all right, let's start this hike here. Alright, not quite there yet, but I did come across this pretty good overview right here. Oh damn, that's really nice. It's a nice overlook right there. Most of Warren County. Pretty sure this is all Warren County, to be real. But, whew, I'm tired. But yeah, looking pretty good up here. But I gotta get back to the trail. It's getting tiring out here, but still making progress. I looked at AllTrails and I got about a 6/10 of a mile to get to the top, but other than that, it's a crystal clear day and I haven't seen a single person on this trail. So in my opinion, that's the best thing I can ask for, to see nobody out here and have the woods all to myself. I'm gonna keep on digging here. Woo! All right. Yep. That's a cool looking ladder here. Oh, this thing is sketchy. Whew. Sweet. I'll tell you one thing. Don't fall when you go on these kind of hikes, because you will get hurt. You will get hurt badly. And if you're alone like me, you're in trouble. That's why you come prepared. And you wear ice spikes when you're supposed to. You know, you bring ski poles for extra support. You have the equipment in my bag in case I had to stay here overnight. And there's all these little things you just need to read up on. The worst case scenario, I've been lost in the woods many of times. But I know how to get back because I can read a map. And that's one thing I advise to everybody. Learn how to read a map. If you're gonna do hikes in the Adirondacks or big hikes in the woods where you don't really know where you are, read a map. Looking like I'm getting to the top here. Oh sweet, made it to the summit. Whew. Looking nice up here. I just want to show off this view here. Look at this. Right on the edge. That is cool. Oh, that is hell of a view. Absolutely epic up here. Nobody, like I said, not a single person this entire hike, and I was able to make it up very peacefully. And these are the ones you want to remember. So I'm gonna get my camera out. I'm gonna get my Sony camera out and take some pictures, get some videos. This is awesome up here. Man, windy up here. I don't know what the gusts are, but looks like I made it up. Let's see how long it took me to get up here. 45 minutes to get up to Crane Mountain, not bad. I will also leave the link to the AllTrails to get to this trail. So if you do want to hike it yourself, I will leave the AllTrails link down below. Definitely check that out. All right, let's go. right. Looks like I made it to the junction, so I'm gonna head to the pond now. So 4/10 of a mile. Not bad. Completely covered in ice. Just as I expected. Do I dare walk on the ice? Alright, completely covered in ice. So I will not be doing any fishing. But yeah. This is the frozen ice right here. Now you can actually come camping here, believe it or not. There are campsites you can park, you can camp here. I believe it's all primitive sites, so it's first come, first serve. But man, you could totally find epic camp spots around here and just camp right by the water here. You're not even nowhere near, I believe we're in 2,000 feet, we're nowhere near 4,000 feet, so not even close to the alpine zone, so you can for sure camp here legally. I don't know if you can have fires or not, but yeah, this is cool. I can walk right on the ice. Nowhere near me there's none of the lakes have ice yet, so it's pretty cool coming up here to the mountains and seeing some ice finally. But yeah, it's December, it's beginning of December, so anyways, I'm gonna head back to the trailhead now because I can't go fishing. I honestly thought I was gonna be able to go fishing, and I was like, oh yeah, it's like 2,000 feet high and there's like wind chills of like -10. So I guess I'll work my way back to the trailhead now. Definitely can't wait to start ice fishing. It's I gotta get all my stuff ready, so I'm gonna go home and actually start getting all my ice fishing stuff ready, but I'll work my way back to the trailhead and back to the junction and then back to the car. Yeah, definitely could have gotten away with my snowshoes out here. That's for damn sure. That's why I always wear snow pants. Even at the trailhead, there's no use for snow pants. So like what I'm wearing, so I know it just gets a lot more rougher as I kind of work my way into the deeper woods. So now I gotta go all the way up the mountain. And then I'll get to the junction and then I'll be able to work my way back to the car. Look at this trail marker. It's been consumed by the tree. Made it back to the car after an epic hike. That was actually a fairly easy hike, but I would definitely recommend Crane Mountain to anybody looking for a hike in the upstate New York area. But thank you everybody for watching. It was nice to do another hiking video, and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's all I gotta say. Thank you.